Hey, deep threat, deep threat. Good throw. Let's go, let's go. Spread out more, spread out more, spread out more. Come to me, come, no, to me.
Communicate. Go. Right here. Go.
Oh. Pitch. You good?
Right here.
Hey, Robert.
Right. James, you'll have Lottie here.
You got Franco too. Stop. Never mind.
Yeah, I know.
Hey, we gotta stop this. Rush line is the other cone right here. Yeah, fine. Yeah, you're good. Hey, watch curl, post curl, watch post curl. Hey, Johnny!
Break hat! Give it up!
Go.
Got it.
Go, Phil.
Go, Dylan, go!
Serge.
Fourth.
Behind the line of scrimmage.
That's gonna. Hey, you're rushing with us. If you got double blocker here. Combo M. Don't jump, Serge. Outside of me. Who's outside of me? Someone's outside of me. Hold it, James. Hold it.
I got two. Get in there, Rush. Inside. Hey, fuck. I got it. 4:15. Man.
James.
I got two. Hey, you got Franco. I got two. You're good. We good? Man.
Hey, we gotta go around.
No, Kobe.
Hell no.
Hey, Kobe's the best Asian I ever seen. Let's go! 145 rally. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh.
Hey, Trips. Never mind. Twins. Split, split, split.
4, 3, 2.
What's up, Manny? Yeah. Well, that was kind of whack. Yeah, it's all good. Professional.
Oh no! Oh no! Oh! Come on, defense! Good job, Robert. Let's go! Come on, defense! Line it up!
Here we go, 4th down.
Robert, watch the cone. Robert, watch the cone. First down. Trips.
Over the center, Serge.
Oh! Stay with center. Stay with center. Go! Time out! Defense left.
I will. When they line up.
Guys, can you get on that side of the cone, please? Kobe, you're in the touchdown zone. Right there, center, you're good.
Time out.
Time out! Time out defense!
What was the bunch play they lined up in?
They just, yeah. They're running essentially. Yeah, they're essentially running our goal line, the blue 85.
Okay.
We're gonna have somebody come underneath. All right. But when they condense, we condense too, right?
Yeah.
The most outside guy's on the outside guy's shoulder. So if they're yeah, we're not rushing, so you can jam all you want. All right. Just make sure you get back and nobody gets behind you. All right. 12 seconds left. Make a fucking play.
5, 4, 3. Oh, wide open!
Let's go!
It's okay! It's
Oh! 7 seconds! 7 seconds!
Is it?
Second and goal!
Are we up or is
Kobe!
it?
The game! You got it, Kobe!
Are we up or is it tie?
Aggies have one timeout. Fucking wide open interception.
7 seconds!
Come on, D!
Timeout. I called it. I called it in front of your face. I called it in front of his face. I called it fucking timeout. I was like this in his face.
He was calling timeout.
I called it in front of your face, dude.
Keep trying.
No! Oh my God.
1 or 2.
Oh.
Yeah, we're good.
1 or 2.
It's on time, right? We got one play.
Dude, I fucking called the timeout in front of his face.
Wait till that. Why are you trying to time it?
I'm trying to see how they line up.
Because you should at least just call it.
I'm trying to see how they line
You had
up.
like 5 seconds to call it. And you should have had the interception play before that.
True.
Let's go, baby. Hold up. Hey, get our defense ready. Be ready. All right? It's going to be hell.
Also, if your defense allows, what, 48 points?
I mean,
They have 48 right now? 9, 8.
We could have got that extra point in offense. That's my favorite part. When you like score like you.
I know. 3, 2.
Let's go! Come on! 2 seconds. 2 seconds.
So good. 2 seconds. Hey, I'm rushing.
Hey, James. James, hurry up. James, hurry up.
They never moved that? I thought they won. Oh, no, that was a
No, Robert, you want to block? Robert's going to be more effective than me. I fucking went in front of the ref. I said timeout right before they snapped it. And he couldn't grab his whistle.
I mean, Kobe just has to pick that.
I
We were in
want-
a position. to
yeah.
win. That's all. I mean, it's a team failure. We
That's
gave them
true.
a lot of points, but like that's the moment, baby. We scouted it up perfectly.
5,